Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Krupa here, and today we're going to be looking at how to recreate this smoked out kajal look. It was a really highly requested look, so here goes. Starting off with primer, I'm still using the BeYu Prime and Mattify primer. Yes, it's still not over. It's amazing how long this has lasted for me. Next, let's move on to eyebrows. For a change today, I am using the Maybelline Fashion Brow Cream Pencil. I've had this for a while, but I haven't really used it properly much. I don't know, I just prefer the Etude House one. But yeah, I just went with this today and it worked well. Now you need just three things for the smoked out kajal look. First is a nice black kajal, next is the smudge brush, and then either a black eyeshadow or a brown eyeshadow or both. Like, I like using both. So we're starting off with the kajal. Line your eyes nice and dark, so make sure you choose a pencil that is dark but also slightly creamy. I'm using Nykaa eyem kajal, and this is great to do this kind of a look. Next, I have dipped the smudge brush into the black eyeshadow first, and I'm using that to smudge the kajal really close to the waterline. I'm not going to go onto the waterline itself, just really close to it. And then I'm going to dip the smudge brush into the dark brown and line very slightly below the black, just so that they merge together. I'm also going to extend this onto my upper lash line to give a really more of a smoked out smudged effect on the upper lash line as well. I'll keep repeating these steps until I'm happy with the intensity of it. You can see that I've changed the smudge brush in between. Sometimes I do that just if I feel like I want to make it smoother. And then once I'm done, you can see this slight pat motion that I'm using to just finally set all of the kajal with the eyeshadow. Once I'm happy with the intensity of the liner, I'm going to go ahead. I'm just using a little bit of an eyeshadow. This is an optional step. I just want to deepen the outer V a little bit to give it a little bit of a contour. But this is completely optional. You don't have to do this. I just wanted to do it. You could choose to stop here, but I am going to continue, and I line my eyes with the liquid liner from Sugar Cosmetics. I feel like when you line it with the liquid liner, it gives a little bit more definition and just brings the entire look together a lot better. So yeah, I'm just taking my time because I want to make sure that the line is really precise and thin. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this step is optional, but I think it looks better when you do it this way. For mascara, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is actually a deluxe sample, or rather a sample size. I picked up a set of 5 small sample mascaras from Sephora, and this is one of them. Foundation, today I've gone back to an oldie but a goodie, which is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm trying to completely finish it up. There is a little bit left, and I'm actually using the WiseShe blender in this. This was actually my first time using it, so you can see I'm just like trying to see how it looks, how well it's blended out the foundation and all that stuff. I will definitely have a review of this up soon. I've used it a couple of times after I shot this video, and I kind of sort of know what I like and what I don't like about it. For concealer today, I'm actually using the Fit Me concealer, but as you can see, it's a really light shade. So I actually used it with a corrector underneath. This is the LA Girl Orange Corrector. Normally I don't use a corrector because the concealer that I use has an orange tone, so it does the job for me. But because this concealer is really light, I have to use an orange corrector first before I can use this. Otherwise I look weirdly washed out, or yeah, I know, it just looks weird under the eyes. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Like I said, I don't do this very often. This is a one-off time that I'm doing this. And to blend this out, I'm using this mini blender that came with the WiseShe blender. It is perfect for blending out the concealer, you guys. I absolutely love it. I'm going to set my entire face using the Fit Me compact powder. I'll have all the details about the shade number and everything down in the description box below. But as always, just setting my face. I quite like how my foundation and everything turned out today. I was quite pleasantly surprised that the corrector worked so well. I also pulled out my Cheeky Glow blush. It's been a really long time since I used this. For some reason, the color just did not pick up on camera. I mean, it looked really nice in person, very subtle, and you can also see it in the pictures later on at the end, but on camera while recording it just didn't show up. So because I felt like it was not showing up, I actually added some bronzer to it, trying to make it a little deeper and darker, and that was actually what I started out to do, but I really liked how the bronzer looked. And this is from the Sugar Face palette. You guys know I'm obsessed with this palette. I have been using it all the time. And that highlighter, oh my god, it is the best highlighter that I have used. I love it, love it, love it. I'm also highlighting under the eyebrows and just a little dot on the inner corner to give that slight pop. As you can see, I want my kajal to be really, really bright, and just going over it and touching it up before the final look. And that's the final look, you guys. I'm going to show the look with two different lipsticks. First, I'm using the MACXPadma lipstick, a very nice neutral shade. I think it's great if you just want to focus on the eyes. But if you want to add a little bit of drama, you can try using a darker lipstick. I'm using the Chambor liquid lipstick in 434. I have my days when I really love this color and days when I don't. But today was one of the days where it looked fantastic, especially with that highlight and, you know, all of that. Oh my god, I love this look. It just needs a little bit of patience and a little bit of time and practice, and that's it. You'll nail it. I really hope you guys found this informative. I hope you liked it. Drop your comments down below and let me know what you think about it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I am going to be doing more such videos. So I'll see you next time. Bye.